Welcome to Jeweality. In our last video, we explored the image-to-image tool, where we transformed a design into different categories, made modifications, and even converted it into different gold. If you haven't watched that video yet, we recommend checking it out first for a better understanding of the process. Before we begin, if you haven't purchased credits yet, you'll need to buy a suitable credits package or subscription plan. Simply click on the Add Credits button and you'll be redirected to the pricing page where you can select the plan that works best for you. Once your credits are added, you're ready to start exploring. To get started, click on your profile icon at the top to open your dashboard, where you can also check your credit balance. From there, click on the Create button, which will take you to our AI page where all the tools are available. So far, we have already seen how to use text to image, sketch to image, and image to image. In this video, let's explore the most powerful brainstorm tool. Traditionally, designers create mood boards, do extensive research, and make multiple sketches before arriving at a final idea, often leaving us exhausted. The brainstorm tool simplifies this process. All you need to do is upload your inspiration images and provide clear design directions. Mention what your customer requires, what should be included and what should be avoided. After that, you can move to the customization step, where you select the categories you want concepts for, whether plain gold, diamond jewelry, or both. For example, since I mentioned diamonds in the design direction, I'll select diamond jewelry and then choose the diamond shapes I want to include. Next, you can choose gold color, finish, and design theme. If you'd like enamel work, you can enable it. Otherwise, leave it off. You also select how many design concepts you want to generate, and then simply click Generate Design Concepts. At this stage, you'll see prompts for each category you selected. Choose the category you'd like to start with. For example, a ring, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get a perfectly tailored design. Let's try generating another concept. Again, we select the prompt and generate a beautiful ring design. If we want matching pieces like pendants or earrings, we can simply convert the same theme into other categories using the tool. One by one, we can generate all the concepts under the same theme. Now imagine if a client requests the same design but in plain gold instead of diamond. You can easily go back to the first step, adjust the design direction, select plain gold in the next step, choose the gold type, finish, and theme, and then click Generate Design Concepts. Prompts for those categories will appear, and you can generate each concept accordingly. All your generated designs are automatically saved under the Recent Designs section. If you need detailed specifications like gold weight, diamond weight, or dimensions, just click on a design and select Show Jewelry Details. You can view all specifications including diamond sizes and gold weight, and even download the spec sheet as a PDF to share with your design team. Another important feature is adding designs to a collection. Simply hover over a design, click Add, and then create a new collection by entering its name and description. Once the collection is created, you can keep adding more designs to it in the same way. To view all your collections, go to the My Designs section. This is on your dashboard. Here you can edit collection details, delete collections, or even download them as a catalog in PDF format. Complete with product descriptions and diamond details. You can also revisit your brainstorm history, continue editing previous projects, or delete them if no longer needed. That's it for this video. We've now learned how to use the Brainstorm tool to create jewelry concepts quickly and professionally. Try it out and don't forget to tag us on Instagram or LinkedIn with your generated designs. We'd love to see your creativity. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.